Hello students, I Aarti ma'am welcome you all to yet another session of English worksheet number 78 dated 30 Jan 2021. The topic of today's worksheet is a chapter Madden Rides the Bus. We have given an extract from this chapter and accordingly we are given the questions answers which we have to do on base of the extract. Let us read the question number 1. Read the extracts given below and answer the question that follows. Sometimes the bus seems on the point of gobbling up another vehicle that was coming towards them or a pedestrian crossing the road. But lo, somehow it passed on smoothly, leaving all the obstacles safely behind. Trees came running towards them, but then stopped as the bus reached them and simply stood there helpless for a moment by the side of the road before rushing away in the other direction. Suddenly, Valley clapped her hands with glee. A young cow, tail high in the air, was running very fast, right in the middle of the road, right in front of the bus. The bus slowed to a crawl, and the driver sound his horn loudly again and again. A. State the figure of speech using the phrase trees came running towards them. In this, there is a personification of trees that are, what do we mean by personification? Personification means making living or non-living things tend to be, other than humans, tend to make them sound like or behave like humans. That is called personification. So our answer will be the option C, that is personification. Let us come to the B. Choose the options that list the set of statements that are not true. So we have to see which statements are false according to the given extract. Number 1. The bus passed on smoothly, leaving all the obstacles behind. It is true. This is true. The driver honked at the cow when she obstructed its way. Obstructed means रुकावट पैदा करी. Its way, yes, that is true. Valley was accompanied by her mother during the journey. No, this is a false statement. This is a false statement. The bus hit the cow and went speedily. No, this is a false statement. Fifth, Valley was disturbed to see the cow right in front of the bus. No, she was amused by it. She was not disturbed but amused by it. So it is also a false statement. The bus moved slowly when the cow came right in front of the bus. This is a true statement. The bus approached another vehicle that was coming towards it as it moved smoothly. That is also correct. So our correct answers, we have to give the non-true statements. So the answer C will be the correct answer. That is 3 statements are wrong. That is number 3, 4 and 5. Let us see what is the question number C is all about. Pick the options that correctly classified facts and opinions of the students below. I think Valley was quite insensitive as she clapped her hands with glee while the helpless cow ran in front of the bus. This is a fact that she clapped the hand and the cow was in fact running towards the bus at that point of time. But it is written, I think Valley was quite insensitive. This is an opinion. So it is a mixture of opinion and fact, but we can consider it into the fact. Oh no, Valley was just a keen observer and a fairly confident child who planned a journey all by himself. This is also a fact that she has planned. She was a quick observer and a keen observer. She had given the details. She had noted down the details of the journey which she has planned by herself. So it can be considered as a fact. Even I feel it was a sheer innocence on the part of the valley which made her happy on witnessing a running cow. So, this is an opinion of the person that she felt sheer innocence, because it is not written that it is a part of innocence. It is to be considered by the reader that it is an opinion. So it is an opinion. Nevertheless, Valley was happy and filled with excitement while she witnessed the running cow. Yes, this is also the opinion. Nevertheless, Valley was happy and filled with excitement while she witnessed the running of the cow. This is also an opinion of the person. So we can say that A is a fact, okay, and B is also the fact that that Valley was just a keen observer and a fairly confident child who planned the journey all by herself. So I think C will be the no, B will be the answer for this, because other two are the opinions of the person. Fine. So C will be the correct answer. Okay. Now let us B will be the correct answer, and let us come to the question number 2 now. Question number 2 is, what information did Valley collected from her first bus journey? Okay. Now let us see what is the answer. This question has already been asked in 2012 board exam. So the answer is, the information that she collected was that the town was 6 miles away from her village, and it took 30 paise one way. She also came to know that the one way ride was 45 minutes. These were the information she has gathered. And then there is a last question, that is question number 3. Never mind, she said, I can get on by myself. You don't have to help me, said Valley to the conductor. She shows extraordinary courage in making the bus journey all along. Taking inspiration from Valley's character, write how ability and courage to take risks are essential to fulfill one's dream. The answer would be, Valley made detailed plans about her bus ride. She rather gather information about the distance the bus travelled, the time it took, and the fare by listening to the conversation of other people and asking discreet questions. She planned the time, that is, when she would board the bus and when she would return. She saved money for this trip by not buying peppermints and sweets, and also by not going to fair. The two characteristics which made Valley to plan her bus ride was courage and ability to plan. These are the traits which need to be consciously developed so that a person can undertake what he wants to do. Courage to do something and ability to plan will make a person go ahead in the life. So I suppose you are well equipped with the worksheet right now, and it is clear to you. So let us conclude this session here only.